let's start from the morning routine. I sleep, then I wake up, then I stay in bed and play with Ariane, right?
Boo.
Yeah. Then I get up, I get up, I get up,
I'm lying on the bed.
and Ariane is lying on the bed. Then I open the curtains. I open the curtains and let sunlight in. Look at this view. Look at the view.
Look at this.
Look at this. Is it too sunny in the morning, right? So then I make my bed. After that, I get dressed. I got dressed. I got dressed. Ariane, do you want to get dressed too?
Yeah, I want.
What do you want to wear?
I want to wear that you that
We got dressed.
we got dressed.
Yeah, we got dressed. Show everybody, look. This is Ariane's new pants and new top, long sleeve top.
I a beer.
Yeah, Ariane is a bear. Hi, little bear. How are you? Oh, you're so big and strong. Right? What are you doing?
Please, I'm turning my hands.
Wow, look at you. Look at you. So let's open the window to get some fresh air. Kangaroo?
Yeah.
Are you a kangaroo now?
No, go.
Ah, I need to find a kangaroo. Okay. So where is the kangaroo? Hi. Hi, little kangaroo. How are you? Oh, are you jumping?
Yeah.
Jump?
Go to see the rabbit.
Okay, let's go to see the rabbits. I walk, walk, walk. Oh,
The rabbit is running. Running. Alright.
the rabbit is running, right? That's great. Then we go to the bathroom. And what do we do here? And Ariane is gonna brush his teeth. Say teeth.
Teeth.
Yeah.
I brush my teeth.
Good job. Ariane has a toothbrush. Let's rinse your mouth once.
I will do it myself.
Okay. Ariane wants to do it. Ariane wants to brush by himself too. Okay, let's rinse. To wash my face. I'm washing my face now.
You have and the hair has tail.
Yeah, my son says that I have a ponytail here. It's so funny, right?
Yeah.
So then I brush my teeth. Then I wipe my face with a towel. To wipe my face with a towel. Then I do my morning skincare routine. My morning skincare routine. After that, I do my makeup. After that, I do my makeup. After that, I brush my hair. To comb my hair. I'm ready to start this day. And look at this beautiful view from the bathroom. View, yeah. Very beautiful view. So then I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. Ariane, what do you want to eat for breakfast today?
I want lunch.
You want to eat lunch already?
The jungle.
Yeah, but let me first make some food for you.
No, a little bit.
You play a little bit and mommy is gonna make breakfast, okay?
No, let's go to the jungle.
Okay, now I'm gonna make some breakfast. Okay, you want to put it in the garbage? Okay.
And put this one in the garbage.
So Ariane says that he's gonna eat all these kinds of grains.
Look at the spraker, so funny.
So I make my breakfast in the kitchen and Ariane makes his breakfast here, right?
No, this is my kitchen.
This is his kitchen. Sometimes I stop and just look at this beautiful sea. Ariane is talking on the phone now with his dad and he bought a gift for him, right?
Yeah.
Daddy bought a gift for you? Okay, what did he buy?
Kangaroo.
Oh, Daddy bought a kangaroo? Wow, let me see. Wow, so beautiful. So for breakfast today we are gonna have a buckwheat porridge. And spinach and banana muffins and some fruits. So yesterday I did some laundry. I washed the clothes and then I put it in a dryer and now I'm gonna see if they're dry. Yeah, the only thing I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna iron the clothes. Let me see, it's so sunny here. Okay, ironing. So now I'm gonna iron the clothes. Okay, here you go. Okay, it's time to eat our breakfast. So we are gonna eat some buckwheat porridge, also some spinach and banana muffins, and a dragon fruit and kiwis. 2 kiwis. Okay, let's eat. Be careful, it's very hot. Oh yeah, almost forgot to say that I'm gonna eat also an egg and I'll drink some coffee.
Don't eat eggs because eggs smell bad.
Yeah, actually Ariane doesn't like the smell of an egg. I'll eat later, okay?
No, don't eat later. Don't eat later because it smells bad.
Okay, let's eat muffins then. It's hot? Is it hot? It's delicious, right?
Yeah.
So this is not hot. You can eat this one.
This one is not hot.
No. This is a dragon fruit. Is it juicy? Let's peel the mango. Let's peel the kiwi. After breakfast, I wash the dishes. After breakfast, I do the dishes. After that, we get ready to go outside. I pack some snacks. So I pack some snacks. Also, let's close the bag. Also, I get his water bottle. Okay, so I put on my jacket. Oh, are you going to the floor number 6? No, we are going to the floor number 1. So press 1. This one turn off. Yeah, it's going to turn off now. Just leave it. And now press 1. Thank you. And now I throw the garbage in the garbage bin. I throw the garbage in the garbage bin. We are outside and we walk toward the resort near the sea. We walk toward the resort near the sea. Yeah, and we're gonna see a moose there, right? We are gonna see a moose there. We walk along the path by the sea. We walk along the path by the sea.
I know see how is that path.
Path. We enjoy the fresh air and the view. We enjoy the fresh air and the view. Sometimes we stop and watch the waves. Sometimes we stop and watch the waves. It's so windy today. It's very windy. And this is a resort where we are planning to take a walk. It's open for public, so we can take a walk in the garden area. Let's go. It's a family, right? Is it a family? This is the speaker. Okay, let's dance together. We are dancing, right? I'm dancing and Ariane is running around. Yeah, but look how beautiful it is. I'm gonna show you one more spot and then I'm planning to record a separate video about this area. It's a moose. Look at the antlers. Is it a moose or a deer? Maybe it's a deer. When you look at the antlers, I think it's a deer. Please write in the comments below, what do you think? Is it a moose or a deer? Is drinking water, and this is a fountain, but it doesn't work. There is no water here. After the walk, we come back home. After the walk, we come back home. Ariane slept. He got very tired. We are back home now. We are back home. We are back home. While Ariane is sleeping, I start cooking lunch. While Ariane is sleeping, I start cooking lunch. While Ariane is sleeping, I start cooking lunch. Today I want to fry cutlets and cook mashed potatoes. So today I want to fry cutlets and cook mashed potatoes. We eat lunch together. For lunch, I made cutlets, also some salad, and also mashed potato. So let's eat together. Did you like the cutlet?
Yeah.
Was it delicious?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so happy. I'm eating mashed potato. In the evening, we usually go outside again or play at home. Ariane, would you like to go outside or play at home tonight? Go outside? Okay, Ariane wants to go outside, right? Okay, let's go then. Okay, so, but first we need to fold the clothes. So do you want to go outside first and then fold the clothes?
First outside.
Okay, yeah, that's better because it's gonna get dark soon. It's getting dark around 6 p.m. here. Let's get dressed and go. Okay, so we are going outside. Until we got outside, it became really dark. And yeah, but it's only like 5:30 p.m. So it gets dark here very early. Nobody can catch us. We are back from outside. After that, I just cooked some dinner. For dinner tonight, we are gonna eat salmon, cherry tomatoes,
That's
and corn porridge. I'm very tired now and I'm just so sleepy, but still we just need to eat and then take a shower and then go to bed. Anyways, let's eat our dinner.
and then I'm to play.
Yeah, and Ariane doesn't want to sleep, he wants to play, you know. As you see, after dinner, I have so many dishes collected. So after dinner, I wash the dishes.
Don't wash the dishes.
Yeah, and Ariane saying, don't wash the dishes. After we ate our dinner and washed the dishes, Ariane took a shower. Did you take a shower?
Yeah.
And washed his hair. Did you wash your hair?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's brush your hair. Can we brush your hair?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we are gonna brush Ariane's hair. Let's brush Ariane's hair. Now your hair is clean and beautiful. Ariane's hair is very clean and beautiful.
Get the book.
Okay, after taking a shower, we read a book before going to bed.
I don't want to sleep.
Yeah, Ariane doesn't want to sleep, so we need to read some books. Do you want this one?
No.
Okay, no. About a seat, you don't want?
No.
Okay. So whatever Ariane doesn't like to read, I'm gonna put aside. Do you want this one? No. You want this one? No. How about this one? Bedtime, you see?
I don't want.
No bedtime. How about this one? No. This one? Yes?
No.
No. This one?
No.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to read a book about the Lantern Festival. Look, lanterns, lanterns. Fish lantern, rabbit lantern, dragon lantern, sheep lantern, chick lantern. And then I take a shower and go to bed. And then I take a shower and go to bed. Great job. Thank you for learning English with me. See you soon. Take care.